It's great pleasure to see you all. My name is Charlie Thomas, and I warmly welcome to today's meeting. Today's meeting is a moment that all of us can truly look forward to. At this every moment, I feel truly excited and proud. It is a great honor to stand together with all IFY users and witness the remarkable achievement IFY accomplishment in 2025. This is not only a highest moment for IFY but also a moment of honor for every participant. The year 2025 has been a year of continuous growth and breakthrough for IFY. With everyone's joint effort, IFY successfully exceeded 10 billion completed orders through the year. These achievements have been widely showcased across many province cities, commercial districts, and major transportation routes in Bangladesh. Every achievements come for day by day persistence. Every breakthrough represents the trust and dedication of countless partners. It is these real achievements and sustained growth that strength our confidence is moving forward and remain us that such effort deserve to be recorded and such honor must be witnessed. Therefore, while we continue to move forward, we also take this moment to uphold our efforts and the crown our achievement. It is a great honor to officially announce the IFY 2025 annual honor celebration is officially launched. This is more than just an annual celebration. It is an important moment for IFY to express our gratitude, respect, and recognition to all our partners. This celebration will bring together IFY's core member and I will, joined by department leader for our headquarters, to review the outstanding achievement 2025 and witness the moment of honor that belong to IFY and to every partner. To ensure that the honor is presented with diligently and fully recorded, the headquarter has made unfailed agreement for the overall process and key detail of celebration. Next, I will formally announce the detailed arrangement of the IFY annual honor celebration. On the day of celebration, IFY will officially release its strategic direction and provide a comprehensive overview of the 2026 Business Development Plan, clarifying future priorities and aligning our shared vision. The event details are as follows. Date March 25, 2026. Venue Dhaka, Regency Hotel and Resort. Address Airport Road, Nikunja 2, Dhaka 1229. Hotel contact number 880171333251. To allow more outstanding partners to share this honor, IFY will invite team leaders of two-star flagship store and above to attend the celebration. All attendants will eligible to participate in the annual lucky draw with one chance per person. Annual honor celebration, lucky draw prizes. Grand prize, one car worth 10 million BDT over a cash equivalent, one winner. First prize 8 million BDT in cash, one winner. Second prize 5 million BDT in cash, 2 winners. Third prize, 3 million BDT in cash, 3 winners. Fourth prize, 1 million BDT in cash, 10 winners. Fifth prize, one motorcycle worth 300,000 BDT, 30 winners. Sixth prize, iPhone 17 Pro Max, 100 winners. Participation prize, 100,000 BDT in cash granted for all attendants. Luck is a blessing for those who attend. But true honor comes from consistent efforts and real contributions. Therefore, in addition to the annual Lucky Draw, IFY has also established the Individual Honor Awards. This award is established to recognize individuals who demonstrate outstanding performance during the new quarterly cycle in 2026. What there? You are an early member of IFY or a newly joined sailor. Everyone will be well vetted fairly and will have the opportunity to attend this celebration. Individual Honor Award. The statistical period for the Individual Honor Award based on the cumulative number of invited sailors is January 13, 2026 to February 28, 2026. Simulative invitation of 100 sailor. Reward, honor trophy plus 800,000 BDT in cash plus motorcycle plus iPhone 17 Pro Max. Simulative invitation of 80 sailors. Reward, honor certificate plus 500,000 BDT in cash plus motorcycle plus iPhone 17 Pro Max. Simulative invitations of 50 sailor. Reward, honor certificate plus 250,000 BDT in cash plus iPhone 17. Simulative invitation of 30 sailors. Reward, honor certificate plus 50,000 BDT in cash plus iPhone 17. Simulative invitation of 15 sailors. Reward, juicer plus oven plus Oppo A6X smartphone. Simulative invitation of 10 sailors. Reward, juicer plus Oppo A6X smartphone. Simulative invitation of 5 sailors. Reward, induction cooker. Notes. Once the corresponding invitation threshold is reached, the participation will be eligible for the respective reward. Rewards are issued based on the cumulative number of invited sailors. Each participant may receive only one reward, corresponding to the highest level achieved. Participants who similarly invited 30 or more sailors will be invited to attend the annual honors celebration and receive rewards one side. Reward result will be calculated by the system and announced on the March 1, 2026. All reward will be distributed collectively on March 25, 2026. Individual effort deserves to be remembered, and the power of the teamwork deserves equal recognition. Every achievement in 2025 has not only the result of individual dedication, but also the result of strong relationship, unity, execution, and continuous effort from outstanding team lead by excellent team leaders. For this reason, IFY will honor all star level flagship store teams to pay tribute to every team that has created result through action and commitment. Team Honor Awards. Official flagship store. Reward, Honor Trophy plus 5 million BDT in cash. 7-star flagship store reward Honor Certificate plus 3 million BDT in cash. 6-star flagship store reward Honor Certificate plus 1.5 million BDT in cash. 5-star flagship store reward Honor Certificate plus 800,000 BDT in cash. 4-star flagship store reward Honor Certificate plus 500,000 BDT in cash. 3-star flagship store reward Honor Certificate plus 300,000 BDT in cash. 2-star flagship store reward Honor Certificate plus 200,000 BDT in cash. 1-star flagship store reward 50,000 BDT bonus. Pioneer flagship store reward 20,000 BDT bonus. Notes: deadline February 28, 2026. Before the deadline, all users may continue to invite seller, upgrade their flagship store star level, or qualify as a pioneer or higher level flagship store. Final reward will be determined based on the flagship store level display in the system as of February 28. Leaders of 2-star flagship store and above are eligible to attend the annual honor celebration. All reward will be distributed on site on March 25, 2026. The above outline all arrangement and procedures for this annual honor celebration. If you have any question, please contact your recruitment manager for future assistance. As we enter 2026, IFY has successfully renewed partnership with multiple brands, partners, and continue to introduce new brands. As a result, product supply on the platform has expanded steadily and order demand has grown significantly. Against this backdrop, IFY will enter a new milestone in the first quarter of 2026 with a target of completing 3 billion product order. This is not only a new challenge but also a strong reflection of IFY's overall strength, market recognition, and growth potential, laying a solid foundation for IFY's stable and sustainable growth in 2026. To ensure the successful completion of the first quarter target, the headquarters has dedicated to divide the 3 billion order goal into 3-month phase, within 1 billion product order to complete in January, February, and March respectively. Each time is monthly target of 1 billion order is achieved and succeeds. IFY will grant all user one golden egg smash opportunity as a token of appreciation for their support and joint efforts in meeting the quarterly challenge. Thank you to every IFY partner for your hard work and persistence throughout 2025. Glory belongs to those who keep pushing forward, and applause belongs to everyone walking this journey together. We look forward to see you at the IFY Annual Honor Celebration, March 25, 2026 in Dhaka. See you there.